On today's episode of Watch JR Go, we get some motivation to finish my R8. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and today I'm here with Tanner Brongard. And he has a brand new, okay, how brand new is it? It's a
Well, it's a 17.
17.
Yeah. It's got 15K miles on it, so
yeah, it's still brand new.
Yeah, it's still new.
Anyway, everyone's gonna be like, how is this motivation to finish your R8 when it's so much better? Because the V10 Plus is so much nicer. Anyway,
yeah, but yours has twin turb skis.
I do have the turb skis, and I know you're ready for the turb skis.
Dude, I want something. I need an exhaust at least. I don't even have an exhaust.
Hey,
it's loud, but it's
maybe Akrapovic or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Get wild with it.
I'm gonna talk to VF soon.
Ah, all right.
Keys in my pocket, so you're good.
Let's push this button.
Yeah.
Yell out cold start like we're Strad Man.
Oh yeah.
Cold start! Okay. Man, this is so much easier to drive than the manual cars.
Dude, it's super easy to drive. This one's just so much more comfortable than the Huracan.
Yes.
Plus it suits me. Like everyone's like, dude, this actually suits you.
What do you have? Dynamic, right?
Yeah.
That's probably turned up.
Yeah, you can press this. You can go through the park if you want. I'd
Let's
go
do
left.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is the first time I've ever been to your old house.
Oh yeah, exactly.
So now I understand the park.
Yeah. It's a manual.
Perfect.
Don't crash it. It's going on a truck this weekend and going to Cali.
I can't believe you're leaving us again. I heard you are. Are you just gonna go spend all your time with Tanner Fox?
I don't even know. I'm so back and forth. I've just been hanging out with flippers and just having such a good time doing flips, like self-taught gymnastics, baby.
Unlimited grip, huh?
I mean,
it doesn't even like.
It's not too bad. The Lambo had better. This has like a little bit of understeering. I don't know. It's just, it's all right. Definitely not as spot on as the Lambo though.
I've definitely never driven through this park, so.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Oh, the pop-pops. I hope mine pop-pops. I don't know if...
It should pop-pop. Yours a V8, yeah?
It is.
It's gonna sound mean.
I think the V10 sounds way meaner.
I don't know. It sounds clean. That's why I really like it.
Yeah.
A lot of people's cars are just like raspy, which is cool, like if you want.
You know, I've never driven the V10 Plus before.
Really?
And this is way smoother than the Huracan.
Yeah?
Way smoother.
Dude, it's just so comfortable. Like I was so excited. I drove 3 hours in the Huracan to get this, and then I was fine like the whole ride home back in this.
These awesome seats and everything.
So comfy, yeah. So comfy.
So when you shift in the Huracan, obviously I'm not in it.
Yeah.
But the Huracan feels like by the time you shift, it's already ahead of you and like pushing through the gear, right?
Yeah.
And this seems like it's exactly connected to your finger. Like when I touch it, it's in the next gear.
Yeah, it's like the same thing. And except these paddle shifters are a little bit smaller, which is slightly upsetting. Yes. I mean, but it looks good on the steering wheel still. Like,
oh yeah,
it still looks really nice. Good. But I really like the Huracan had like bat wings or something. It was super cool. But
yeah, the shifters on that thing are like 6 inches tall.
But this thing has cup holders. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you didn't have a cup holder.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Driving directly into the sun. How I crashed my last R8. Dope.
Oh, take Thunder Road real quick.
Yeah, just go straight.
Okay.
Whip it to Thunder.
I'm down with that.
Good things happen on Thunder.
That's right. We just won't go. Again?
Yeah, we're waving.
This could be a one take.
I don't know who they were. I can tell.
We're almost Matt Farring this with a one take. You know he's all about that one take in the Canyon's life.
Oh yeah. Let's do it. I don't even. Have I been in the passenger seat? I don't think so.
In this car, you haven't been in the passenger seat?
I don't think so.
Here, let's do the.
Yeah.
Just because the buffeting.
Yep. You might be the first. I'm not sure.
Oh snap!
I don't know.
This thing is so perfect.
Yeah, it's fun.
Oh gosh, it feels so stable.
Yeah.
So I felt like mine was going to be unwieldy because the Huracan feels like unwieldy at times, right? You know,
I mean,
it's precise, but also like it's a little jumpy.
Yeah.
Because the steering's probably
turned up. I think it, hops a little bit maybe.
And you feel like you need to, you almost want to overdrive the car because you're like, oh, it's a Lamborghini, it's so wide. This feels like a completely normal car that is a Huracan.
Dude, I know. I can take it everywhere.
Yes.
Anywhere.
We could probably pull this off, right?
Hi.
My engine's ready to come out now.
Oh yeah,
So
that's gonna be so sick when you have it done. My mom was like, "You're gonna let him drive your car?" Because like I don't know if I've even let anybody drive it, and I was like, "Well,
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, the man does have an R8."
Yeah,
Like,
and you can drive it. 100%.
and yeah, oh, you did give us the Grom for a little while,
Oh,
so
yeah.
I'm not gonna
Absolutely.
be stingy. Come on, plus I'm about to leave. The man's going daily, for God's sake. It's a struggle.
It is. It's hard work.
He needs the content.
I
don't know how much I'm gonna help you. My clout's way down.
I went to go look at another car a minute ago, and this guy hit me up and he was like, "I'll pay you to come finish my car," right? And I was like, "Oh, well, actually, it's an interesting car, one that I love. I'm totally down to do that."
Yeah.
And then I went over there and I was like, "Man, I need like a whole day," and that was supposed to be today's video.
Yeah.
So I was like, "Oh, let's go see Tanner's house. It'll be cool." And Paula's here, so I can say hi because I haven't seen Paula in what? 8 months, probably.
Flew him out to help me drive back to Cali.
Oh, what all are you driving?
I'm driving my Challenger and shipping this car.
Okay.
And my RV's already out there. I've been living out of it, but I'm gonna get a rental. Oh look, sun is at the exact place where I crashed, and we're going around the same turn.
Way slower, probably.
I don't know.
I don't know how fast you were going. We're good.
It's still, I have fear. Oh my god.
This thing is so good.
I'd turn around after the tracks.
Yeah.
And then do a launch.
Oh, yeah, you got launch control on
Yes,
this
sir.
one. We're launching downhill, so this is cheating.
Oh yeah.
All right, so.
Do I get the speedometer?
Oh, yeah. What? You. Full
Yeah, there you
okay,
go.
there we go. All right, here we go.
Yeah. Mike is flopping. Oh my gosh.
Man, this thing is quick. It's so much faster than like if we dig raced my car and your car, I think you'd win because the DCT is so much faster.
It's so crazy. It's faster than the Huracan by like 0.3 seconds.
It does not come down to horsepower when the car shifts like that.
It's crazy. It lurches forward like it's crazy. Like I don't know. This car's just out from under you.
It was doing the Huracan shift thing right now.
Yeah,
where it like pushes through the shift and you're like, what?
Yeah, you're like, how is it going forward through the shift?
Oh gosh, it's so good.
Yeah.
Man, I love it.
You can do aux or you can do Bluetooth. Like, it's everything.
Isn't it crazy the Lamborghinis have no options?
Dude, it's ridiculous.
You had a 15, right?
Yeah, and I didn't have cruise.
Yeah.
No, I didn't have a cup holder, and I have both in this, and it's great. Like,
it's a real car.
You're going to use cruise control if you're gonna drive it. Like, it's not gonna be daily if you don't have cruise. So.
Right, and Lamborghini has cruise control now.
Yeah.
It just took them about 37 years longer than every other car manufacturer.
Yeah, they say it's, you know, it's not a race car if you have cruise control, but
all the rest of us with cheap junk cars have cruise control in our races race cars.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah.
I want cruise. Cruise is a good friend. Thunder Road still has me scarred no matter what.
Yeah, I get that.
Especially this time of day.
Oh yeah.
And this time of year, I crashed in October, so next month.
Was that last year?
Yeah.
Oh man, it feels like it's been 2 years since that car got
feels like a long time. Yeah, I didn't even have the Lambo for like a year. I had it for like 8 months, I think.
If you guys don't know the story of Tanner crashing his rose gold wrapped VF supercharged R8 V10, you can check it out. I'll link it below. It'll be around here. But it is crazy, dude. And then
I was glad I had a dash cam. Like, people were like, so like, what were you actually doing? they expected that I was like flying around. Like,
I mean,
like I was going fast, but
not that fast.
No. The sun was in my eyes. Like, look at these visors. These are bigger than the other ones, and they're still baby. Like, they make no difference.
Thunder Road is it's no joke. I mean, it's just kind of
it's the best option we got.
It is. Luckily, I think we've all spent lots and lots and lots of time driving
going down there.
Yeah, and it's been great. So.
Yep. It's just the irony of the situation. I went over and passed this lady on a motorcycle, and then she was the first responder as I'm sitting in the ditch, and I was like,
sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't
thanks
mean
for stopping.
Yeah. It was. She just knew it was like karma. I flew by her.
So you got the carbon interior package, which is beautiful.
Carbon on the mirrors.
This car's perfect, man.
Had to get the V10 Plus.
Oh, you had to get the V10.
Yeah.
I've got to say, like, this may be one of the best. So, like, 911 Turbo.
Yeah.
Probably one of the greatest cars in existence right now.
Loves it.
The current one. And then this is right up there in, like...
I know it.
It's where it reads your mind, and what you communicate to the car is what happens in real life. Really.
My favorite thing is, like, that combination with the looks. They're not, like, in your face, but they're... Like, I smile when I see this car. I want to look back when I get out anywhere I go. And I don't know. Whenever I forget it's mine and I park out in the parking lot and see it, I'm like, yes.
I'd say the even more grown-up one is the 911 Turbo. Like, same league of car.
Yeah.
Unbelievably good, right? And the Turbo's faster. But this is just perfect for like somewhat low-key awesome, all the power.
Yeah, it is. It is definitely some low key.
You can bang those downshifts if you want. It sound cool.
I'm not sure if I launched this, if it automatically upshifts. If I don't,
it did.
It did. Okay.
But I don't.
The
know how
Lambo
many
did
times
it.
Would have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in the Lambo, I know if I upshifted like a second, yeah, that way. Yep.
Sorry.
No, you're good. If I upshifted like a half a second too early, it would go up twice.
Oh, okay.
It was weird.
Because it was already hunting for the shift.
Yeah, exactly.
And it was going to do it itself. And
this has not done that yet.
You know what's really crazy is I think here's a cool trick. I don't know if you've done it before. If you're in fifth, right, as we are now.
Yeah.
If we hold the downshift paddle. It goes all the way to second immediately.
Oh, that's wait. Does it go down to like the max?
It goes to the lowest available gear instantaneously.
Oh, that's so cool.
If you need to roll race,
just look at somebody.
pull it beside somebody and hold the paddle, and it'll downshift all the way to second and third. Go.
He knows more about my car than me. That's so dope.
The Huracan does it too. And whenever you're getting ready to race somebody, hold the paddle, look over at them, and then just go.
Yeah, I've never. How did I not know that? I've watched so many Doug DeMuro videos.
I don't think anyone's ever talked about that. It's kind of like a secret feature that you can go all the way down with one button.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Super nice.
I usually just
you like click.
Spam it. Yeah, I was gonna drive this. I told Paul, I was like, hey, yeah, man, like I'll fly you out and we can drive my R8. So he was super excited. And then he got here, I was like, hey, we're driving my Challenger.
sorry about your luck.
Yep, sorry. I just decided should ship this, keep the miles off it, and I can't really fit more than.
You can fit 2 bags, right?
Exactly.
Like,
I was like, oh, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna get my guitar and my amp and like all this stuff. It's like, oh wait, I can't.
Keep going.
Take it right. Yep.
Yeah,
this is it.
Cool. Well, I love this thing.
Hell yeah.
I don't know if it motivates me anymore to work on mine because mine is so behind yours technologically.
Hey.
But this
get
thing
it done. You're gonna have an R8. You have an R8. That's the crazy thing. You have the R8. So you just gotta.
So excited.
Let's get it running.
Yes.
That'll be sick. And then whenever I come visit, I'll come sit in it.
Dude, you can just come
listen to those turbos, baby.
Absolutely. Yes. All right, man.
Got him.
Thank you so much for letting me steal your car for a minute.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
No problem.
Yeah, and then, anybody that doesn't know cars, they're just like, oh, that's a cool Audi TT.
Yeah, exactly. Well, the new TT looks super sick. It does.
The new TT looks like an R8.
That's true. It does.
Sweet, dude. Well, I'll get out of here.
Yeah, no problem. Hope you enjoy the TT.
Yes, I got the TT life. I'll catch up with you soon, dude.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks.
See you later, yeah.
That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was a lot of fun. I haven't driven an R8 in a long time, and I've only driven mine like 13 feet or something like that. I should have driven it around the block one time before we started tearing it down. But anyway, it was really fun to drive that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. We're back. Short trip.
Yeah.
Oh, you got Hot Pockets?
I had 2 Hot Pockets. It was that short.
Man, I haven't had Hot Pockets in like 8-10 years. I need some now.
You want one?
Maybe.
I can make you one.
Let's do it.